I can't even compare them. Like it's massive difference. So probably like 3, 4 times the business that I did last year.
Yeah. And that's as a direct result of what you'd done with those.
Yeah, I'd say so. But
Yeah.
the reaching out to the pilot community, which is what you have to do with this, what generates the majority of this income. And I think so far this year, I've almost hit my full target for what I had last year. In January, I set my target, so this is what I want to do. And
Beautiful.
I hit it last year, and I thought this year I'm going to obviously push it higher, but there's no way I would have done that without help.
Yeah.
So
Nice. Yeah, that's good to hear. And
that's money spent, I think.
yeah, like you say, so you've had a good return off it then, that initial investment that you had with us.
What I was thinking and procrastinating, and is a month upfront cost, and is it worth it? And do I want to go with this, or should I just DIY it?
Yeah. How quickly did you start getting it in then, initially? Appointments and sales?
Not pretty much immediately. It was, yeah, with the LinkedIn, when you start adding people, and every day it's just like adding, and then you start getting the messages, and people, they reply to you pretty quickly. And
Yeah.
it generates leads. And I think the first month I was with you was just shy of 10K. The month before I had done 2,500.